Hey everybody, my name is Jackie and I'm the Marketing Account Manager at Dirigo Design and Development. Today is the first of a series of videos where we'll show you how to use the DirigoEdge content management system. We'll get started by showing you how to access Edge for your website, log in and register, and we'll introduce you to some helpful terms you'll need for upcoming video tutorials. To access Edge for your website, simply type its URL into your web browser search bar, followed by a / and then the word admin. If your site hasn't launched yet and you're accessing Edge through the development version of your site, type that URL into the web browser, then the / admin. You'll know you've accessed Edge on your website when you see this login screen. If you've already had a username and password assigned to you, enter them into the boxes and then click Log On. If you haven't had credentials assigned to you, select the link that says Register to create them. Then, select a username and password, and enter your registration code. A registration key is an additional form of website security and consists of a variety of special characters, numbers, and letters. Usually, a Dirigo team member will create the registration key and provide it to you. Once you've registered, you can change the registration key, but we'll get into that a little bit later. Once you log in, you'll land here, the Edge dashboard. This is the central hub for the content management system, and where you'll access the different features of your site. We'll be spending plenty of time within this interface, but for today, we're going to introduce you to some terminology that's helpful to know when learning how to use Edge. The back end of your website is the view of Edge that you see here. Think of it like the skeleton of your site, in that it forms its base structure without being visible to the naked eye. The front end of your site is what users see when they type its URL into their browser. If the back end of your site is like a skeleton, then the front end is like a skin. It's what people see on the outside. One advantage of the DirigoEdge content management system is that you can edit your site from both the back end and the front end. The rest of this series will teach you how to do just that. You can see the quick access bar when you're logged into Edge. If you're working on the back end of the site, it's this black bar with the Edge logo in the upper left-hand corner and your username in the upper right-hand corner. The quick access bar also extends down the left-hand side of the screen, featuring shortcuts to several important features of your site. In future videos, we'll be showing you how to use each one of these features in detail. Try clicking on your username in the upper right-hand corner to reveal the drop-down. The first option, Admin, will return you to the dashboard if you're elsewhere within the Edge interface. Say, for example, editing a page or uploading a photo. Clicking View Site will take you to the front-end view of your website. You can also change your password or log out of the Edge content management system. In this video, you've learned how to access DirigoEdge, register and log in, and become familiar with some new terminology. You can always contact a Dirigo team member with any questions that you have about Edge. Thanks for watching, and be on the lookout for upcoming videos.